Now we're going to look at drawing some, and I hope this works out okay. I had a lot of fun setting this up here. Okay, so we've got first a car. I'm going to kind of zoom in so we can see it better. Traveling down the highway. That one. There we go. And there's a picture of a car there. Again, we're gonna draw it as a dot. Here's our dot. And the first force that we often draw is the force of gravity. Gravity is always there, and so it's always pointing down. So there it is. And we're going to draw a label. We have to label our arrows so that we know what we're talking about. So this one is an F with a G on it, so we're going to label it right there next to the arrow so that we know which one it is. The next arrow that we're going to apply, or that we're going to draw, is the normal force. And then remember, the car isn't going down, so there's a force that is supporting it. So that's the normal force. It points up from the road there. And we got to label that one, the normal force, which is a F with a subscript N. Now something is making the car go down the highway, and that's the engine. It's not on our list of forces in our types of forces foldable. There's nothing on there that says engine, so this is just a generic applied force, and I could write that the force is the engine. I could put F engine, or I could write the force applied. It points forward though, and so there it is pointing forward, and I've labeled it as applied. You could write engine if you really want to. It doesn't really matter. That's less important, but it's not. That's not it for the forces though, because I don't know if you've ever driven a car, but there's a lot of friction going on there, so I also have to draw friction. Friction is opposing the motion. My car is going to the left. I'm sorry, to the right in the picture, so friction must be going to the right. And so there it is, and I've got to label that one too, so there is my frictional force. Isn't that cool how that worked out?